Everyone thinks the best-selling toilets are automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Hibint Toilet Handle. The Hibint Universal Metal Front Mount Toilet Handle caught my eye with its stylish crumb finish and solid brass construction. At just $9.99, this is an affordable option that promises functionality and quality. If you want a reliable toilet handle that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Hibint handle fits most standard front-mount toilets and is designed with kids and the elderly in mind, making it easy to flush without straining. The brass material ensures durability, so you won't be replacing it anytime soon. Plus, it passes a 50,000 flush test, which speaks volumes about its longevity. With over 10,000 units sold recently, it's clear that people are trusting this handle for their bathrooms. Now, some people complained about the installation being a bit tricky if you're not handy. Here's the thing though, it's manageable for anyone with basic tools, and the price makes it worth the slight hassle. If you just want a reliable handle that looks good and works well, this won't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable, stylish replacement handle. Skip this one if you prefer a complete toilet overhaul or need something more high-tech. For under $10, it offers great value for money. Now, if Hibint's installation concern bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Corky Toilet Flapper. The Corky Ultra Standard 2-inch Universal Toilet Flapper. Priced at just $6.84, this flapper is a budget-friendly choice that promises to end your toilet's running issues. If you want a simple solution to prevent water waste, this is definitely worth considering. The Corky flapper fits most popular brands like American Standard and Kohler, which means you won't have to worry about compatibility. It's made of chlorine-resistant rubber, ensuring it lasts longer without degrading. It's designed to quickly fix running toilets, which can save you up to 30% on your water bill. So if you're tired of hearing that constant running sound or worrying about your water usage, this could be the answer. However, some users noted that it sometimes doesn't create a perfect seal right away. Here's the thing though, with a little adjustment, it often works perfectly. If you're not up for minor tinkering, you might find this a bit frustrating, but for the price, it's still a solid option. This is perfect for you if you're looking to save on your water bill and need a quick fix for a running toilet. Skip this one if you want a more permanent or complex solution. It's an excellent value given its effectiveness. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking to take full control of their toilet's performance.
Product number 4, Mial High Pressure Plunger. The Mial High Pressure Toilet Plunger, priced at $29.69. This isn't your average plunger. It promises to tackle even the toughest clogs with ease. If you want a reliable tool for those emergency bathroom situations, this could be a game changer. This plunger uses a high-pressure air system that clears blockages in seconds. It has a real-time pressure display, which means you can see exactly how much pressure you're applying, making it easier to control. Imagine being able to fix a clog quickly without waiting for a plumber. That's the convenience this brings. Plus, its durable construction means it can handle frequent use, making it a trusty addition to your home toolkit. However, some users found the pressure gauge a bit inaccurate. Here's the thing though, as long as you keep an eye on the pressure level, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's more about getting a feel for how it works. This is perfect for you if you're sick of traditional plungers that don't get the job done. Skip this one if you prefer a traditional approach to unclogging your toilet. It's a solid investment for your peace of mind during plumbing emergencies. Now, if you want something even easier for unclogging, check out the last product on our list.
Product number 5, Populo Electric Toilet Plunger. We have the Populo Electric Toilet Plunger, priced at $47.47. This high-tech tool is designed to make unclogging a breeze. If you want a no-mess, efficient way to deal with clogs, you might want to pay attention to this one. The Populo features a built-in electric air pump that reaches high pressure in just 20 to 30 seconds. That's pretty impressive. It's designed to handle not just toilets, but also sinks and showers, making it incredibly versatile. Plus, it's eco-friendly, so you're not harming the environment with harsh chemicals. It also comes with a storage bag, making it easy to tuck away when not in use. On the downside, some users found it a bit bulky to store. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about keeping your drains clear, the performance outweighs the storage issue for most people. It's a reliable tool that can save you from messy situations. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful, easy-to-use solution for unclogging your drains. Skip this one if you don't have the space for it. given its effectiveness, it's a good value for anyone dealing with frequent clogs. To wrap it up, we've covered the Hibint toilet handle, Corky toilet flapper, Fluidmaster fill valve kit, Meow high pressure plunger, and the Populo electric plunger. Each has its strengths, whether it's affordability, efficiency, or advanced technology. Choose the one that fits your specific needs, and you'll be well on your way to a better flushing experience.